Welcome to Mike's Organic Cafe. Let's make Christmas cupcakes using organic ingredients and sprinkle them with lovely Christmas decor. Ingredients are for the cake. First, if you want chocolate cupcakes, add cacao powder, 100 grams unsalted butter softened. This is the whole butter square, 250 Gs, but eyeball 100 Gs from it. We may use the rest later. 1 cup erythritol sugar substitute, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, alcohol free, 1 cup unbleached white baker's flour, a splash of sea salt, 1 tablespoon baking powder, and 3 large eggs. For the icing, 1 tablespoon cacao powder, half a cup monk fruit icing sugar, half a cup full fat unhomogenized milk. We may not use it all, just as a precaution. Vanilla extract, alcohol free, red and green food coloring, and if desired, add a scoop or 2 of collagen protein. I'm using vanilla. Make the cupcake batter. Step 1. Preheat oven to 160 Celsius, fan bake, then grab a cupcake tray, place in the cupcake cups in each hole and set aside. I found these adorable little candy canes. They're not for eating, just decor. Step 2. In a dough mixer bowl, place the butter and erythritol and beat together until it forms a creamy consistency. Remember, it's only 100 grams of butter. I eyeballed mine. Step 3. Add the eggs, followed by the vanilla extract. Step 4. Scrape the sides of the mixer attachment, then place it on a paper towel, then grab a large sifter and sift in the flour, baking powder, splash of sea salt, and if you want chocolate cupcakes, add 3/4 of the cacao powder. Mix until it's like ice cream. They'll come out so soft and fluffy. Step 5. Fill each cupcake with 3/4 of the mixture. I managed to fill 11 of 12. I suggest you make twice the amount that I did if you desire more. Place into the preheated oven and bake for 20 minutes or until the cupcakes are golden brown and well risen. Step 6. Here are mine fresh out of the oven. Try to get even amount into the cupcake cups so they come out even if you care about aesthetics. Cool them on a wire rack while we prepare the icing. While they're cooling, we can make the icing and add the Christmas decorations. Step 1. Grab 2 bowls, place half a cup monk fruit in each bowl, then add half the protein to each bowl, then half the vanilla, then a squirt of green food coloring in one bowl and red food coloring in another bowl. Then add a small splash of milk, then grab the electric hand mixer and mix until it becomes spreadable. You want it to remain thick but a little runny. Be cautious, it will dry fast, but you can always add a bit more milk if it's too thick. Now we can spread a lot on top, then add the decorations. Note that I think if you use a piping bag it's better, but it's too much mess, so I just dunked them in, then used a large rubber spatula to coat them. If you use a piping bag, the mixture has to be more loose and fluffy to get the desired consistency you need. I have yet to master the art of frosting, but I'll get it eventually. Step 2. Place the desired decorations on top before the icing hardens, then leave the cupcakes on the cooling rack so the icing hardens fully, and you're done. Serve and enjoy after a huge organic Christmas turkey, and have a happy and healthy chemical-free Christmas. Be seeing you.